Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will teach you step by step how you can add a black screen to your video clips in the Shotcut video editor. It is super simple, guys, and I'm going to guide you through this step by step, so let's get started. Alright guys, there are basically two different ways how you can do that. The first one is super simple. So the fastest way to add a black screen to your video would be to simply leave some space between one video clip and another one on your timeline here. So let's say you've been working on a video like that here. You added a video clip like this here to your library. So let me place that one here on the timeline for demonstration purposes. So what you want to do now, guys, is simply add a second video clip to your library. Now I will go with that one here for demonstration purposes and place it on your timeline here next to your first video clip. So for demonstration purposes, let me copy that one here by selecting it with my left mouse and by pressing Ctrl C, and next by pressing Ctrl V on my keyboard. Or alternatively, as previously mentioned, guys, you simply place a second video clip here. And what you want to do next, guys, is select the second video clip here on your timeline with your left mouse, hold your left mouse and drag that video clip here to the right on your timelines to leave some space between the first and the second video clip, like that here. And if we watch that part here in the preview mode, we will see that this open space here is displayed as black screen. So that's the first option, guys. And the second one would be to simply add a black background, standard black background to your library, for example, sourced from Canva or from any other stock photo or stock video site. Add it to your library by clicking on Open File here. Next, add it to your playlist by clicking on that plus icon here. And after that, create a second video track by clicking on these three lines here and by selecting Track Operations and add a video track from that drop-down menu. There you go. And last but not least, select your uploaded black screen image here and place it on your second video track here above. Adjust its position and length. And in the last step, watch your project in the preview mode. There you go. As you can see, that black screen has been added to my video. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.